How to fix the Steam error missing file privileges. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are facing this problem of missing file privileges error on Steam, here is a quick and easy process. So let's get started. First of all, right click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager. It will ask for administrative privileges. Tap on Yes. Once open, you need to search for Steam in the list, select it and click on End Task to close it completely. Next up, you need to open Steam, but before that, right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. This will give Steam additional permissions which can help resolve the file access issues. Now in the Steam, tap on Steam on the top left corner and go to Settings. Once you reach there, you will see different sections on the left side panel. First of all, go to Downloads and then try to change the location. Make sure to keep on the nearest location, which might help to improve the connectivity. Then after, you can go to Library, which is the library folder. Find the three dots next to the computer folder or the game folder and click on Repair folder. This checks and fixes any issues with the game files stored there. If the error persists, go to the game causing issues, right click on it and then Local Files. After that, verify the integrity of the game files. As a final step, you need to go back to the downloads and see the option of Clear Download Cache. And once that is done, your issues should be fixed. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.